All of a sudden, out of nowhere, it has started raining. Rainy fucking rides. Good morning, folks. Today I don't know where we are headed, but it's 2:14 and we are going to go somewhere today. Okay, we are on our way. We are going to wait to at least till 2:30. Umesh bhai is going to join us and few other folks. Let's see where the ride is going to head to. But meanwhile, I realize that my front tire needs air. Just inflated the tires and still waiting for Umesh bhai. It is already 2:25. So I just got to know that we are going to Wandri Lake. That's going to be a little bit of off-roading. So I am going to keep the Tribun and we'll be picking up the MTB. So this is the benefit of you having two bikes. You can use any one on whichever terrain you want. So right now I'm riding the MTB. We'll be doing some loop rounds here on 100 feet road. Mostly we'll be clocking around 40 kilometers and then we will be heading towards Wandri Lake. Yes. So that's Umesh bhai. He was already doing his loops while I was switching on bikes. Hope so it gets bright soon. We are waiting for some of the fellow mates. Hope they come by 5 o'clock. By 7:30 we have a target to reach Wandri. Already 35 kilometers down the line. Let's wait. At last we have reached the Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway. From now here I think it's 30 kilometers down and we see a little bit of brightness. Woohoo! At last we have reached the highway. Now it's time to speed up. Come on, let's gear up and let's speed up.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil,
Descends and descends, only descends. Right now we are only crawling down and crawling down. Hope so on the way back we don't have to climb up. It's going to be very difficult because by 7:30, 8 o'clock the sun will be out. This is a big boy. this is, I think, the lane for motorbikers. Yes, a small one with no toll. Oop, oop. Hey, what's up, man? Don't pee. Okay, we have reached the turn to Wanderlake.
Turn right onto Wanderlake Road.
Okay, we are climbing to Vandri, and that there is the dam entrance, and this is the road. It's a climb, it's a steep climb. Single-handed is becoming very difficult. So at last we reached Vandri. I'll not do much of the commentary, just watch out for the beauty around here. That's the watchtower of the dam. This is the lake around. There's some chaps taking bath. What's up, folks? So let's end the commentary and just watch. So I'll tell you what happened. All of a sudden, there were some glass pieces lying, and I went through them, thinking of myself being a pro. And then all of a sudden, I hear the air oozing out from my rear tire. And just 3 or 4 seconds down, my rear tire is completely flat. I had all the equipments to fix the tire apart from my pressure pump. Now, thanks to Varsha and her pump, which helped me on the way, either I would be walking 2 kilometers down to a puncture shop just to fill air, because the rest everything was sorted. Luckily, my rear tire is not a quick release, but still I managed to fix it.